This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and AirPods. You need the latest iOS, paired AirPods Pro 2, and the hearing control in Control Center. Once done, open Control Center, tap the ear icon, and choose Live Listen to transmit nearby sound to your AirPods. This immediately turns your AirPods into a directional microphone. You can move the phone closer to the sound source. Make sure volume is moderate so you hear clearly without distortion. That's your first actionable step toward the hearing aid function. Once Live Listen is active, optimize audio by enabling headphone accommodations in Accessibility Audio/Visual. Choose a preset or customize frequency adjustments to boost speech. Then, fine-tune the Live Listen mic placement, point the iPhone at the speaker, and test at different distances to find the sweet spot. Make sure AirPods noise control mode is set to transparency or off so you don't cut out ambient cues. Adjust volume in small increments until speech is clear without loudness spikes. To finish, stop Live Listen from Control Center and return noise control to your preferred setting to conserve battery. If you encounter muffled or distorted audio, first lower volume, then toggle Bluetooth off and back on and repair the AirPods. You'll often fix connection glitches instantly. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and check for AirPods firmware updates. One key troubleshooting tip: test with another phone microphone source to isolate whether the issue is the iPhone mic, AirPods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.